Guys, you absolutely crushed the last video. That was only our second one, and as of recording this video, we're sitting at 4,000 views. May not seem like a ton, but that means so much to me, so thank you guys so much. Anywho, the reason why you guys clicked on this video is because you have Alcantara or Ultrasuede and want to clean it because it's just a little bit grimy. Have no fear, I got you with a simple guide. Show you all the products you need, and you'll get your Alcantara all nice and clean. Back to that stock feel that we all know and love.
All right, so these are the products that we're going to be using. Pretty much just a brush, some microfiber towels, a handheld vacuum, and the Alcantara cleaner. There's so many different cleaners out there, but I personally like to use Dr. Beasley's Micro Suede cleaner. Not sure how you pronounce this, but for the brush, I use the Geist brush. Then I got these Members Mark towels from Amazon. And then I'm probably going to butcher the name of the vacuum, but it's Chubor. Now, as you can see, my wheel isn't completely gnarly, but I know this car has a lot of Alcantara and Ultrasuede to be cleaned, so this is just good to know if your car has it. To begin the whole process, step one is just going to have the vacuum sucking in all of the dirt that we're going to be brushing up with our brush. You're pretty much just unbedding all of the dirt that's lodged and trapped in the Alcantara, just the loose stuff that we can get without the cleaner. Next up, you can take your Alcantara cleaner and spray your towel. I like to really saturate one area, so then you can dab the Alcantara to help make the product break down all of the dirt and grime. Then from there, you can start dabbing the piece of Alcantara, making sure to saturate it a pretty decent amount. And also a reminder that you don't want to be rubbing on the Alcantara just yet. And once it's been sitting for a few minutes, especially if your wheel is really grimy, then you can take a clean microfiber and start wiping down the area, and you'll see that you're slowly going to be picking up all the grime and dirt that was lodged inside your wheel. Afterwards, you can take your brush again, make sure it's clean, and brush up the fibers so that they all stand up in one direction. Believe it or not, that is going to be it for today's video. Super short and simple. You can't really overcomplicate these steps on how to clean your Alcantara, but when you finally do it for the first time, it'll be a walk in the park every time in the future. So with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.